move right on then and chat about the markets and find out what levels are being discussed by our chartists. We've got Nooresh Merani as well as Kunal Bothra joining in. And Kunal, look where we are, already perched at above the 18,700 mark, making our way to those life highs. Do you believe that it's only a short time away to hit those levels? And more importantly, will it be led by the banks and the heavyweights, or do you think that it's going to be the broader markets as well that will add to the mix?
Good morning, Avan. So I think more than hitting, it's sustaining, which is very, very likely for the indices above the possible new highs for the index over the near term. We've seen a very good mix for the index as well as the overall market. So mix of sectors, the erstwhile defensives like FMCG, pharma making a strong comeback, the high beta pockets like real estate making a very strong move over the last 1 to 2 months, and the durable sectors like the auto, cement, etc. Even these stocks have made very good strides for themselves in the last couple of months. And it's a good mix where not just the leader stocks or the erstwhile leader stocks which have done reasonably well, but even the underperformers from most of the sectors, even those stocks have made a very good comeback for themselves. Many of the stocks have actually hit new highs, as well as some of them are very close to their 52-week highs. So I think that's a good mix of sectors and stocks. Now the data yesterday was very intriguing because we've been talking that the Nifty is outperforming the Bank Nifty over the last couple of days. But a day like yesterday, where the open interest jumped by almost 8.5% on the Nifty, as well as compared to the Bank Nifty, it was just 1%, 1.5% rise on the open interest on Bank Nifty. So that tells you that the inclination is more towards the index, towards the Nifty at this point of time. And that's where I believe one should probably position in terms of an index play. So would be bullish on the indices and expecting a new high. More, as I said, more than a break of a new high, it's a sustaining of a new high, which I believe is very much possible this time around.
Okay, Nooresh, what is it that you're betting on? Will banks also participate, much unlike yesterday's underperformance?
So I think banks are ready to participate. If you look at the two largest banks, which have almost 50% weight in the Nifty Bank, are interestingly placed. So you have ICICI Bank right at the top. The previous highs are at 960. The base is at 930 for the last 2 weeks, making a classical pause or a flag pattern around the breakout point. So that is the one which could lead, and say crossing 960, we would go quickly to 1000, 1100 levels on that one. So that is ICICI Bank. The other one is HDFC Bank, which has corrected from 1730 back towards the 1600 mark, where it has been for the last 2-3 years now. Now, if you look at the shorter term supports, which are at 1550 to 1590, a very strong band of support around that area. And from that area, we can start seeing a reversal and going towards 1730. Now, both these banks doing that would imply Bank Nifty can easily make a new all-time high and also give a fillip to the Nifty as well. So expecting banks to take leadership, and specifically a little bit of a bounce from HDFC Bank or a breakout move from ICICI Bank, because those are the heavyweights. The other banks continue to look well, but these heavyweights can change the momentum. So expecting them to do so.